What's going on, everybody? It's Patrick, Mid 10 Outdoors. How's my outdoor crew doing? Hope this video finds you well. We're going to go take a ride today. This may turn into two separate videos, maybe three, depends on how I work things out. But getting a late start. We were up half the night. It was up till, actually it was 2 a.m. when we went to bed. We had some pretty severe storms roll through. All is well here. I don't know about the rest of where I'm going. I've checked all of the trying to get everything lined up here. I checked all of the websites, and there's nothing posted that anything is closed or anything, so but when I get to these places, I'm going to do a separate video on each one because there's going to be too much information, too much stuff. So basically we're going to have a video on the driving today, and then we're going to have a video on the places we're going. But the chances of us running across some storm damage, tornado style damage, is very high. We missed it altogether, but now south, which is where I'm going, and south and west or east. Got it. Alright guys, that's it. We'll be back in a little bit. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're headed down toward Stones River National Battlefield, and one of the things I'm doing today to see how I'm going to like it, see if it's going to do what I want it to do, is run the iPad. And I'm running it with, just run the GPS on it right now. I'm not running Gaia, but I do have Gaia loaded up on the iPad, and that's how we...
In 1 mile, take a slight right turn onto State Route 109 toward Gallatin.
But anyway, that's how we did Daniel Boone last year, was with that iPad, and some other things we did with it too, and did some tracks. But so anyway, I'm just trying that out as far as navigation and that kind of stuff. It's a bigger screen, I can see it from a distance. I can see the other one from a distance, my little one from a distance too. But we're just going to try this method. Anyway, let's get on. I gotta get some food. Still gotta get some food. The Battle of Stones River took place between December 31st, 1862 and ended January 2nd, 1863. Total forces of 76,400 were involved. Union had 41,400, Confederates 35,000. Casualties numbered in the 24,645, where Union suffered 12,906, Confederate suffered 11,739 casualties. Okay, what you see before us is what they call the slaughter pen. Confederate soldiers got in behind these rocks and were basically daring the Union soldiers coming from this direction to come through here. Now you can just imagine how embedded they are in these rocks, and you're having to fight your way through them. And let's just say that one didn't end well for the Union that day when they got to these rocks. But I couldn't imagine having to run through there, and I mean, look at that had to be a nightmare. But that's called the slaughter pen. Okay, so I just got thinking about this. So Stones River Battlefield, you can see the slaughter pen right through there. You know, had the slaughter pen, and then Shiloh National Battlefield has the Hornet's Nest. So it's crazy to think how many people died in that area, and how many people died in the Hornet's Nest. So the war this country put on against itself. It was just amazing what these guys went through. And we're talking, 1700s, when you didn't have modern anything that we have today. I mean, look at their dress for the winter, and this battle took place, like I said, during Christmas and New Year, so it was cold out. And they just had their wool jackets and blankets and a fire and that's it. Alright, I gotta be honest with you, I gotta get out of there. That wind's blowing. There's actually limbs popping back over there. There's old hackberries and stuff, and those things are notorious for snapping limbs. Yeah, we got like a 25-mile-an-hour wind right now in the area. So we're fixing to go to stop 3, and we'll come back stop 3. Alright guys, that's going to end it for the Stones River Battlefield video. You're going to have some pictures here at the end that I took around the battlefield here at McFadden Farm. I don't want to put too much into it. I want you to come experience it for yourself. McFadden Farm looks like it'd be a pretty neat place to come walk around if you can walk around it. You better have your good walking shoes on, I can tell you that. Anyway, just a reminder, get your mid-10 merch down below. Get your t-shirts and everything. But we're going to the next location, and it'll be in the next video. That's it. It's windy as crap, so I'm gonna go fight some more wind, and we're going onward and outward, upward, whatever you want to say. Don't forget YouTuber meetups coming up in May 12th through the 14th, Big Red State Park. Appreciate everybody watching. See you on the next one. And if you notice, there's a little change in the way videos are being done. I'm just playing with some things again. Times are going to stay the same for the Tuesday videos at 2 o'clock now. Seems like that works pretty well. Be prepared. That clap probably killed your ears. See you on the next one.